Welcome to Make Life Smart. Robot vacuums have been around long enough that most people have one opinion about them. They're fine until they get stuck under the couch or can't figure out the carpet edge. The 5 vacuums in today's video are operating in a completely different category. One climbs stairs, the world's first robot vacuum to do it. Another has a robotic arm that picks up objects in its path before cleaning around them. One is DJI's entry into home cleaning, and DJI brought their drone engineering precision with them. 5 robot vacuums that change what the category means. Let's get into it. Number 1. DREAME's most capable cleaning robot yet, and the X60 Max Ultra sets a new standard for what a premium robot vacuum is expected to deliver. The X60 Max Ultra combines vacuum suction, mop cleaning, and an AI obstacle recognition system that identifies and avoids objects on your floor with a precision that previous robot vacuums achieved only in controlled demonstrations rather than real living environments. The suction power reaches levels that handle the carpet debris, pet hair, and fine particle accumulation that mid-range robots redistribute rather than remove, cleaning that you can verify with a white cloth test rather than just assuming it happened because the robot completed its run. The mop system goes further than a damp pad dragged across hard floors. Active scrubbing with water delivery pressure that handles dried spills and the floor film that builds up in kitchen areas without the robot pushing it around rather than lifting it. The self-maintaining base handles empty, refill, and mop cleaning automatically. The full cleaning cycle, including dock maintenance, happens without human involvement at any stage. Maximum suction, active mopping, AI obstacle recognition, self-maintaining. The flagship that earns it. Number 2. Grasp the future with intelligence, and the Z70's robotic arm is the feature that makes that phrase literal. The Roborock Saros Z70 is the robot vacuum with a robotic arm, a 5-degree of freedom manipulator that reaches out, grasps objects in the cleaning path, and moves them aside before the vacuum cleans underneath and around them. The practical impact is significant. Socks, cables, small toys, the objects that every robot vacuum either gets tangled in, pushes around, or carefully avoids and leaves unclean beneath, the Z70 picks them up. The floor gets cleaned, the objects get replaced. No intervention required. The AI recognition identifies which objects to grasp and which to navigate around. The system distinguishes between a cable worth moving and a chair leg worth avoiding, rather than applying the same response to every obstacle it encounters. The vacuum and mop performance matches the arm feature, Roborock's flagship-level cleaning hardware underneath an innovation that changes what robot vacuums are allowed to do. Robotic arm picks up objects, cleans underneath, the vacuum that handles what others avoid. Number 3. DJI enters home cleaning, and they brought their drone navigation precision with them. DJI's reputation is built on navigation intelligence, the ability to map an environment in 3 dimensions, plan an optimal path, execute it precisely, and adapt in real time to what changes. The ROMO applies that same engineering philosophy to your home floor. The 3D sensing system builds a spatial map of your home with a depth and accuracy that reflects DJI's navigation heritage, distinguishing between permanent furniture and temporary obstacles, understanding the 3-dimensional profile of the space rather than just its floor footprint, and planning cleaning routes that reflect that understanding. The result is a robot that navigates your home the way a drone navigates airspace, purposefully, efficiently, and with a spatial awareness that budget robot vacuums with basic bump-and-turn navigation can't replicate. The cleaning hardware matches the navigation ambition, suction and mopping performance built to the standard that a premium market entry from DJI requires to be taken seriously. DJI navigation precision, 3D spatial mapping, premium cleaning hardware, the vacuum that navigates like a drone. Number 4. The world's first bionic quad-track stair-climbing robot vacuum. And climbing stairs is the capability that changes everything about what a robot vacuum can actually clean. The DREAME Cyber X uses a bionic quad-track locomotion system, 4 articulated tracks inspired by the mobility of living creatures to climb stairs that every previous robot vacuum has treated as an impassable border. The stair climbing capability means the CyberX cleans your entire home, rather than the floor plan of a single level, moving between floors, cleaning each one, and returning without any human carrying, lifting, or repositioning. The cleaning hardware delivers DREAME's flagship performance on every surface it reaches. The stair climbing isn't achieved by compromising the cleaning, it's additional capability built on top of a serious cleaning platform. Climbs stairs, cleans every floor, no carrying, the vacuum that finally does the whole home. Number 5. A robot vacuum cleaner that manages the full cleaning cycle, including keeping itself clean without any input from you. The Narwal Flow 2 is a combined vacuum and mop robot with a self-maintenance system that handles the parts of robot vacuum ownership that require human involvement with every other system. Emptying the dustbin, refilling the water tank, and cleaning the mop heads are all handled by the dock automatically. The mop cleaning is the detail that Narwal has invested in specifically. The Flow 2's dock washes the mop pads with clean water and dries them after each session, preventing bacterial growth and odor that fixed mop pads develop in competing systems, and ensuring each cleaning session starts with genuinely clean mop heads. The navigation builds an accurate floor map and cleans in a systematic pattern that covers the entire area efficiently rather than the random bouncing that characterizes entry-level robot vacuums. Self-empties, self-refills, washes and dries its own mops, cleaning that genuinely manages itself. Thanks for watching Make Life Smart. Subscribe and stay ahead.